Political pop quiz. Disable the pause button, camera guy. Because that's cheating. You want to learn something? Learn it on your own time. Oh, wait. Pencils up. Begin. The words separation of church and state appear in A, the U.S. Constitution, B, the Declaration of Independence, C, the Bill of Rights, which is the first 10 amendments to the Constitution, but of course you already knew that, D, the U.S. Constitution and the Declaration of Independence, E, the Declaration of Independence and the Bill of Rights, F, the Bill of Rights and the Constitution, G, all of the above, H, none of the above, or I, some of the above. Mark all that apply. And time's up, pencils down. What? It was only one question. The answer is B, no D. Just kidding, C. Ha. It's got to be I, H, or G. Really, seriously. Did you even think about this? The real answer is actually H, none of the above. Surprised? Of course you're not. I mean, you are, but you're not. Wait a minute. You're hearing about it all the time in the news, right? The fight about having the 10 Commandments in a courtroom or whether or not kids should be praying to Obama? The separation of church and state is one of the hallmarks of American freedom. Here's the problem. Misconception. Not only do you not know where to find the phrase separation of church and state, most people don't even know what it means. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. Some of you are very smart. Maybe you know what it means. Pop quiz, 2-page essay before you leave class. Here's the deal. Separation of church and state doesn't have to be explicitly mentioned in the Constitution because it's already in there. Where, you ask? It's built in by omission. There's no state-sponsored religion. Ask yourself this question. Is there just one legal religion in the U.S.? Or is it like Iran, Egypt, and Pakistan? Places where there's only one legal religion and no separation between church and state. I feel like I should clarify something. Our nation is technically not a Christian nation. Nope, and it never has been. It was founded on enlightened Christian ideals, and I say enlightened because the founding fathers allowed for other religions to exist. You know, non-Christian religions. It's that freedom to worship space monkeys if you want. And you have to remember, when the Constitution was drafted, religious freedom wasn't really en vogue. Freedom of religion? Heretics. That's probably going to make some of our viewers mad, but like it or not, the teachings of Jesus Christ are not established laws in America. Based on them, but not established laws. So technically, it's not a Christian nation. Sure, Christian ideals were the inspiration for the freedoms we enjoy, and some things like thou shalt not kill made it onto the law books, you know, in one form or another. But that being said, people still act shocked that some of our laws may actually have religious roots. What? Well, when you live in a country founded on religious principles, it shouldn't come as that much of a surprise. I know everyone's heard about the Supreme Court ruling on removing the 10 Commandments off an Alabama courthouse. Interestingly enough, Moses and the 10 Commandments are depicted on the architecture of the Supreme Court building too. But they're not tearing that down. Whether you like those stone carved